Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well and good. I make dua to the Creator Allah that the Creator Allah protect all of us from the coronavirus. Ameen. And I hope the Creator Allah helps the process of finding a vaccine for the coronavirus. Having said this, the Creator Allah knows best. Let's begin another timeless talk by Abdullah. You see, today I want to talk about some questions or a particular question I get online from some people. So for example, the question is, the Creator Allah is uncreated. Now that's a fact, because you have to have someone who is uncreated and supernatural to begin creation, and that is the Creator Allah. But the question is, but how? So the Creator Allah is uncreated, but how? Now the answer to this particular question is simple. This particular question, how is the Creator Allah uncreated, and or the Creator Allah is uncreated but how? The answer is, this question does not apply to the Creator Allah. This question is non-applicable. That's the short answer and the best answer. Also, we can explore how to understand this further. So, example, I would add, there is no explanation. So when I said that this particular question does not apply to the Creator Allah, this particular question is non-applicable, therefore there is no explanation. What I mean is that the Creator Allah, it is the Creator Allah who created us and therefore gave us the brain, the mind to think, and therefore to the soul to live inside our earthly body, and therefore experience life on planet Earth, etc. What I'm trying to say is that our intelligence, our thinking is limited. Our understanding of so many things out there which has not been discovered yet is limited, and therefore you see the Creator Allah has unlimited knowledge and has complete knowledge, and therefore all knowing, all seeing, all hearing, all wise, Al Hakim, all wise. And also the Creator Allah is extremely powerful. The Creator Allah can create from nothing. The Creator Allah says in the Quran, kun fayakun, so therefore be, and it is. And so for the Creator Allah to create universes, planets, stars, it's a piece of cake. It's nothing, no big deal. And so when it comes to us, we have a limited understanding of whatever that we can learn, and our intelligence is limited. And so example, I myself in school, I was better in English than mathematics. And so, for example, when I came to doing A level, although I at one moment wanted to do mathematics, A level mathematics, but when I look at the A level mathematics book, it was very hard. I just couldn't understand advanced mathematics. So I said, no, you know what, I'll do arts. So I did, for example, sociology, psychology, English, literature, for example. So like physics, I mean, there's a lot of maths in physics, a lot of maths in chemistry, and so, but for some people, some people are good at science, chemistry, physics. Some people are excellent in mathematics. But overall, the children of Adam, peace be upon Adam, our intelligence is limited. So when I get the question, well, the Creator Allah is uncreated, but how? I mean, I would like to say that how am I supposed to know? But what is more important to understand is that one thing is very clear, that the Creator Allah is uncreated and supernatural, and or the Creator Allah is supernatural and uncreated. That's a fact. You cannot actually you cannot deny that. No one can deny that, because then you are not thinking logically. The brain and the mind that we have been given by the Creator Allah, at least we can understand what I have just said. So let me explain further. You see, you have to have someone who is uncreated and supernatural, and or someone supernatural or uncreated. Yes, supernatural. Meaning of supernatural: someone who is beyond the laws of physics, someone who is beyond, outside the understanding of science. Yeah, and therefore we have to have someone who is uncreated and supernatural to begin creation, and that someone is the Creator Allah. For argument's sake, if someone says the question, for example, there is no Creator, in that case there should be absolutely nothing at all. But that is not the case, because we can see creation all around us, visible and invisible. So again, if someone asks the question, infinite number of universes, but the problem with the infinite number of universes is the issue with infinite regress. And infinite regress again means there's no starting point, there is no a point of beginning. Therefore, again, the infinite regress means no starting point, no point of beginning, and therefore nothing. There should be absolutely nothing. Again, that's not the case. And so then the result, the outcome, the logical understanding is this, that we have to have someone who is necessary, a necessary being. Therefore, someone who is uncreated and supernatural to begin creation, and that is the Creator Allah. And I hope this particular talk clears things in people's minds who have doubts in regards to, is there a Creator or there isn't a Creator. Like I said, one thing is clear: the Creator is a fact. The Creator Allah is a fact, because you have to have someone who is uncreated and supernatural to begin creation, and that someone is the Creator Allah. Also, some scholars would refer as the necessary being. The necessary being is the Creator Allah. The meaning of the word Allah is the one who deserves all worship, also the one who created you, me, and the entire existence, all that exists, visible and invisible, material and immaterial, inside the limited multiverse and outside the limited multiverse, and or perhaps and probably other dimensions, and so forth. So coming back to, I would like to, talk a little further in regards to, like I said, my intelligence is limited, your intelligence is limited, everyone's intelligence is limited. No matter what IQ you have, 225, 275. I mean, someone with a 225 would be known as a genius, and would be probably able to solve a lot of mathematical equations. Even then, it's limited. You get me? It's 225. It's not like the IQ is 2,000,000,001. If you know what I mean. You see my point? Our intelligence is limited, and so trying to be. What I'm saying is there is no point obsessing over. Well, the Creator Allah is uncreated and supernatural, but how? But how? There is no point obsessing over how, but how? Like, how is the Creator Allah uncreated? There is no point obsessing over this, because what we all should focus on, what we all should understand, which is more important, is that it is a fact that the Creator Allah is uncreated and supernatural, because you have to have someone who is uncreated and supernatural to begin creation, and that is the Creator Allah. I know I have repeated myself, but that is because of emphasis. Repetition helps you learn better, and repetition is a tool in educational psychology. Yes, and the repetition is a tool in education. I am an educator. I am a teacher by profession, and my name is Muhammad Raj Abdullah. I have written many books. Some of the books, one book in particular, What is Permanent Success? You can go to Amazon and buy it. And I have written e-articles such as Evolution, True or False, You Decide. Thank you for listening. I will talk to you soon.